If nougat candy was the trend for last year, for this year 2022 in Vietnam, the hot trend for Tết confectionery line is boat tart with caramelized nuts. It's a great item to add to the Vietnamese New Year candy tray. The tartlets are in shapes of little boats filled with various kinds of nuts, coated in a layer of butter and caramel. They are so precious and tasty. Let's learn how to make them.
Oh yeah! Helen's recipes.
You will need 100 grams of all-purpose flour, a mix of nuts of your choice like almonds, macadamia, pumpkin seeds, pistachios, and walnuts. You will need about 20 grams each, 20 grams of brown sugar, 15 grams of almond flour, 5 grams of powdered sugar, 40 grams of butter, 25 grams of yogurt, 10 grams of honey, 8 ml of whipping cream, and 16 grams of corn syrup. To make the shell for the boat tart, in a large mixing bowl combine 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 15 grams of almond flour, 5 grams of powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix and then add 20 grams of butter. Use your hands to mix and combine the flour with butter. When it comes together, add the yogurt. Then knead well until a dough is formed. If you can't buy the boat tart mold, you can fold little boats from parchment paper and aluminum foil, just like I do. Just fold as demonstrated, making sure that the paper boat is a little bit smaller than the aluminum foil boat, so you can line the latter with the former. Now divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Wrap each portion in saran wrap and roll out into a rectangular sheet. It's about 1 cm thick and the width should be as long as the boat. Chill the dough sheet in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Then cut into smaller portions with similar size to the boat tart shell. Line the mold with the dough to form the base of the boat tart. Trim the edges and use a fork to poke a few holes at the base so that the steam can escape when we bake. Bake for 15 minutes in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius, then take out and leave to cool. To make the filling, melt 20 grams butter in a small saucepan, add 20 grams of brown sugar, 10 grams honey, 16 grams of corn syrup, and 8 grams of whipping cream. Stir over high heat until bubbly. Roughly chop up the nuts, except the macadamia nut, then add to the caramel and mix well. Take off heat, and when the mixture is still warm, add to top the tartlets. Place the whole macadamia nut in the center, then fill the boat with the caramelized mixed nuts. Sprinkle with some roasted sesame seeds. Bake the tartlets at 150 degrees Celsius for another 10 to 15 minutes. It smells so good out of the oven with a very good looking caramel color. Every bite is a harmonious combination of nuts with the crispy and buttery crust. So tasty and luxurious. What a great addition to the New Year candy tray, and it can also be given as great gifts on Tết holiday. I wish you success with the recipe and send me a photo if you give it a try. If you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you then next time. Bye!